When you were in the ambulance, yes, you were feeling better. Did you know each other from before? Plaintiff, yes. Had you been friends? Yes. Now, this lawsuit is about, who are you? I'm Priscilla, her mother. And I was there when Junior was hurt, and I was by his side, and when the ambulance came and put him on a gurney, he wanted to get off the gurney then. And he said he was fine and he did not want to go to the hospital then. Yeah, but it's a good idea because you never can tell with kids. Kids can say, I feel fine, I want to go play. Then they can have some internal damage that you can't see. So you don't take the word of a 9-10-year-old thought. They feel fine. They want to go out back and play. You agree with that, right? That's what the paramedic said also, that he should go and be checked out. That he should go? Absolutely. They were persistent. So that's the right thing to do. There's only one issue in this case. You are suing them over the ambulance bill, correct? Yes. And you think that they should pay the whole thing? No, I asked her if she can pay the half. Well, I think that that's very fair. Him, because accident happen any time, especially with these kids. Well, it's an accident. And aside from the fact that your son was fooling around with this basketball, hit him a couple of times in the head with it. He was acting like a fool. He's much bigger. He should not have kicked him, right? Right. So you think you're responsible for half the bill? Well, I told her that I would pay for part of it because I felt that being as what happened, that I could pay for a part. But, since Junior started the whole thing, I didn't think I was responsible for the entire bill. Well, I don't think you're responsible for the entire bill either. But I think you're responsible for half. What was the whole bill for the ambulance? $768. 80, do it for me. 768, I got 384, Judge. Throat clearing. You have something important to say? Yes. I don't think that she's responsible for the whole thing. I don't care what you think. Well, what you think is unimportant. I'm the one. But I'm the one who has to make a determination as to what's fair. But we all objected to him going too. We offered to take him in the car to the hospital. What does that have to do with anything? Well, madame, yes, listen to me. I don't know where you're coming from. The play area has a responsibility. Once the play area is advised that a child has been injured while on their grounds, they have to take every step that's reasonably prudento, ensure that the child isn't injured. Not putting him in your car, sit down. It's a good lesson for you. He's little. You can walk away. Sometimes it's better off to walk away from a situation than to react to it. Jacob, do you understand? Yeah, and I think probably if you had it to reflect on, since you look like an ice. Young man, you would have just walked away and said, listen, he's a little kid and I'm not going to get involved, right? And you can't always rely on the fact that you're a little guy, right? And that you can fool around with somebody else and they're not going to retaliate. Do you understand? Yes, you were hitting him in the head with the basketball, so he could either react or he can walk away. He chose to react. It's not the smart thing to don to each. You has to be responsible for it. So I'm giving you half of the amount of the ambulance that took your son to the hospital, which is $384. That's all. All parties are excused. You may step out. Gavel banging dramatic music.